Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I am back with another tutorial video of how you can update your Bigo Lve application. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and check whether your Bigo Lve application is up to date or not. Once it's done, go ahead and open up your App Store application on your mobile phone. If you are using your Android, you can go ahead and open up your Play Store application, and in the search box, go ahead and type in Bigo Lve application. Here, open the app or tap the application. So here, as you can see, my Bigo Lve application is already up to date. If your application is not updated, you will be seeing the option update right near the open option. Once it's done, go ahead and open up your application and use it. So that's all guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.